Welcome back to the channel, and today we're diving into the foundation of every stylish wardrobe, 10 must-have wardrobe staples every woman needs. These classic pieces are timeless, versatile, and can be styled for just about any occasion. From the perfect pair of jeans to the classic white shirt, I'm sharing essential tips to help you build a wardrobe that always keeps you looking chic and put together. Ready to find out what every closet needs? Let's jump right in. Wardrobe Staple 1, Classic White Shirt. First up, the classic white shirt. This is one of the most versatile pieces you can own. Dress it up with a blazer and trousers for work, or keep it casual with jeans and sneakers for a weekend look. The white shirt is a blank canvas for endless styling options. Wardrobe Staple 2, Perfect Pair of Jeans. Next, a perfect pair of jeans. Whether you prefer skinny, straight leg, or wide leg, find a pair that fits you perfectly. Jeans are a go-to for casual days, but can also be dressed up with a blazer or heels for a night out. They're the ultimate wardrobe essential. Wardrobe Staple 3, Little Black Dress, LBD. Every woman needs a little black dress in her closet. It's the one piece you can rely on for any occasion, cocktail party, date night, or even a business event. Just change up your accessories, and you've got a fresh look every time. Wardrobe Staple 4, Blazer. A well-fitted blazer is another must-have. Whether it's for the office, a meeting, or even a casual outing, a blazer instantly elevates your look. You can pair it with jeans for a more laid-back vibe or throw it over a dress for a more professional feel. Wardrobe Staple 5, Comfortable Flats. Next up, comfortable flats. Whether you're running errands, commuting, or simply want an alternative to heels, a pair of stylish flats is a wardrobe lifesaver. Go for a classic ballet flat or a trendy loafer to keep your look polished and comfortable. Wardrobe Staple 6, Black Heels. A pair of black heels is a must for every woman. They go with just about anything, whether it's a dress, skirt, or even jeans. Opt for a comfortable heel height, and you'll have a pair that works for every occasion, from the office to a night out. Wardrobe Staple 7, Neutral Sweater. A cozy neutral sweater is perfect for layering or wearing on its own. It's versatile and works with everything from jeans to skirts. Choose neutral tones like beige, gray, or cream, and you'll have a timeless piece that's both comfy and chic. Wardrobe Staple 8, Structured Tote Bag. Every woman needs a structured tote bag for those busy days. Whether it's for work, shopping, or travel, a tote is both practical and stylish. Go for one in a neutral color so it pairs well with any outfit, and you'll have the perfect everyday bag. Wardrobe Staple 9, Leather Jacket. A leather jacket is a timeless staple that instantly adds edge to any outfit. You can throw it over a dress, pair it with jeans, or layer it over a hoodie for a casual, cool look. It's a great piece for transitioning between seasons and always looks effortlessly chic. Wardrobe Staple 10, Statement Accessories. Finally, statement accessories are key to pulling together any look. Whether it's a bold necklace, a chic belt, or a patterned scarf, accessories can instantly elevate a simple outfit and give it personality. Don't be afraid to play around and have fun with your accessories. And there you have it, 10 must-have wardrobe staples that every woman should own. These pieces will keep you looking stylish, no matter the occasion. What's your favorite wardrobe essential? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more fashion tips, style inspiration, and trend updates. And of course, turn on that notification bell so you never miss a new video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you